The following are instructions for the assembly of the calf raiser scale by Rockwell Scales. First, take 3 bolts and add washers to them and put them into the angled support brace. Then add it to the lower receiving tube. Add the next angled support brace and add your washer and nut to that, and only hand tighten them. Do not tighten them fully. Now add your center post. There's no up or down. It can fit in either way. Add 3 bolts with washers on either sides, and again, only hand tighten the nuts. After attaching your top flat bar to the load cell, some come perpendicular and some are parallel. This one is perpendicular. It's time to add it to the center post. It's the same process as before with your bolt. Add a washer to both sides, only hand tighten the nut. For some, you may find it easier to attach the angle brace to the top square tubing before installing. Make sure not to pinch your load cell cable. You can add up to 6 inches of height or length by using the different holes on the angled braces, but try to always use 3 bolts. At this point, you can tighten all of the bolts. Now you can attach the cradle arms. On the parallel versions, you must install the cap nut on the top of the flat bar, otherwise you won't have enough clearance between the flat bar and the load cell. Once you're done installing the cradle arms, you're ready to begin weighing. It comes with a 120 volt adapter, or you can install 3 AA batteries into the back of the indicator on most versions. Hold down your power button, it'll go through a countdown process. It should end on 0 and you're ready to begin weighing.